Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to preserve your plantains for longer. So I'm just going in here with my knife and I'm slicing through the skin of the plantain, separating the peel from the plantain, and I'm just going to slice up my plantains. Now you can choose to slice or dice your plantain. Anyone works for you, but I'm just doing this for convenience. I'm also going to be getting a clean baking sheet. You can also line your baking sheet with either parchment paper or foil paper, but I just like to use this because I'm going to be separating this later, and this just makes it easier. Make sure you do not salt your plantain, and also make sure that they are not touching each other. Once that is done, just transfer the tray directly into your freezer and let it sit overnight or for at least 8 hours. Once that is done, we're just going to get all of the plantains out and quickly go in with a spatula and rake the plantains off the bottom of the pan. Now, this is why I prefer to go in with a clean pan as opposed to using something like a parchment sheet or foil paper. This just makes it easier. Once this is done, I'm just going to go and get some freezer bags, and I'm going to portion the plantains into each bag. I do this because you can't afford to leave these plantains out for more than 2 minutes without the purpose of frying them completely, because once they start to defrost, they start to stick together, and you do not want that. And all you have to do is portion them in the freezer and bring them out whenever you want, fry them up, and you are good to go. You can have plantains all year round. Please remember to subscribe for more content. Bye.